Good morning, dear students. My name is Vaibhav Shrivastava, and today I am going to tell you something about the profit and loss appropriation account. We are going to discuss the format of profit and loss appropriation account, and it is the part of partnership of class 12th book, chapter number 1, partnership fundamentals. So before preparing that format profit and loss appropriation account, we need to know the meaning of profit and loss appropriation account. As we know that we had already studied about profit and loss account in class 11th. Okay, students. So there all the profit is taken by only one person, because profit and loss account shows the sole proprietorship's final account. But here we are studying in class 12th partnership, and partnership where two or more than two persons are involved. So the profit is to be distributed amongst the partners in the profit sharing ratio. For that purpose, there are some items which are recorded in newly opened account, that is known as profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so here it is a format of profit and loss appropriation account. This is the debit side, expenditure side, and this is the credit side, income side. As we know the golden rule, assets, expenses, losses are always having the debit balance, and liabilities, incomes and profits are always having the credit balance. Okay, so first of all we will start it from the credit side. Okay, because whatever the net profit is being determined in the profit and loss account, that will be recorded in the debit side. So first of all that balance will be brought down. That balance will be brought down in the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. That is written by net profit brought down, or here it is written in the bracket profit transferred. Okay. Now second item which is recorded in the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account, that is interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is an income for the partnership firm. That is why it is recorded or it is written in the credit side. Now if we talk of only these two items are recorded in the credit side. First is the balance transfer of profit and second is interest on drawings. Now only 4 to 5 items mainly which are recorded in the debit side of profit and loss account. So first of all, salary to partners. Suppose that there are many partners A, B, C, P, Q, R. So the salary will be given here. Okay, salary to partner, it is an expense for the firm, partnership firm. So that is what is recorded in the debit side. Next is commission. Whatever the commission is being paid to or to be paid to the partners, that will be recorded in the debit side. Third item, interest on capital. Interest on capital is also an expenditure, and that will also be recorded in the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, and next is reserve. This is the fourth item which we record here. Okay, after that we tally all the incomes and we tally all the expenses. We make the total of both sides, and we always consider and we always expect the profit. So we always take that, assume that credit side will be more than the expenditure side. That means income side will be more than the expenditure side. If incomes are more and expenses are less, then it will be the profit. Okay, and that will be distributed in all the partners, whatever the partners, number of partners in the business, that will be distributed in the ratio of profit sharing ratio. Okay, so this is an account where the profit appropriation is being made, where we make the appropriation of profit, and that profit is distributed amongst the partners. So this was your profit and loss appropriation accounts format. Next time we are going to solve the question on the basis of this format. Okay, thank you students.